guys, good afternoon. Look at that guys, the ocean is very calm right now. It's so calm. Diba? Just relaxing. We're now waiting for the dinner. Our dinner is 7:15 p.m. Dinner time in Central Park. We're gonna be in Deck 5. You can see the wind, guys, but it's nice. Nice weather. Oh, look at my breast here. Thank you to all my subscribers and shout out, guys. Shout out everyone, to all subscribers and viewers. And thank you, guys. And see you next island. We're going to the beautiful island in Licol Marineland, owned by MAC's company, Cruise Line. Right there, relax and chillax for now. It is nice. Very nice weather today. So nice, guys. So thank you guys. Kind of sleepy. Look at the wrinkles I got. Oh my goodness. Need to keep the exercise these wrinkles. It's hard when you get older, guys. Hello. Hearts. Thank you. I miss all my YouTube. I miss all the charity vloggers, guys. When I come back, I do lots of things to catch up on, especially the team Kalingap guys that I've been follow around. And same thing is Pogong Hero. And to all charity vloggers, I watch all of them. I've been watching all day long in the house. I have nothing to do to watch, I like watching them. So I'm a big fan. And also Daddy Frankie vlogs. So really miss all that. Look at the sunset, guys. A little bit sunset. Look at those beautiful clouds. And hope to see you next time. Someday when I'm visit in Philippines. Someday, guys, maybe next year, but I'm not sure. So I'm enjoying the breeze of the ocean breeze. I really enjoy the ocean breeze, guys. Look at that ocean there. Oh my goodness, look my hair. I won't wake from the hair color, I guess. Oh, the wind is blowing right now. I really enjoying. Okay, thank you guys, and bye bye.